Ranch, and I'm going to be taking over the Egg Grad Snapchat today for 24 hours and show you what one of my days looks like. So I've been getting some really good questions, and so I'm going to give you some more information about our ranch. The ranch is located in the beautiful rolling foothills of Northern California off of Highway 4. The ranch was established in 1873, and it's one of the oldest registered Hereford herds in California. My dad started working here when he was 13 for his uncle. So right now, we just brought in a group of cows that are in to get preg checked, so we're going to go sort the ones that we need. Our first group, and we chose a 5-day sync for a timed AI, and I'll tell you a little more about that. So the first step is inserting a CEDAR, which is a vaginal device carrying progesterone, and we left that in for 5 days. At the same time of inserting the CEDARs, we also gave a shot of cisterillin. Then 5 days later, we pulled the CEDARs and gave a shot of Lutalize. On the day that we pulled the CEDARs, after the first shot of Lutalize, 8 hours later, we gave a second shot of Lutalize.
And now, 73 hours later, we're gonna breed some cows.
Got some really good questions, and the first one is our feeding protocol. And all of our cattle are on native pasture, and then we also have irrigated pasture. And in the summertime, we give out a dry, loose mineral that is high protein, and in the wintertime, like right now when the feed is really high in protein, we put out a high mag supplement. And then the second question was, how do we preg check? Do we do ultrasound, do we do blood test, or do we palpate? So we do by palpation. We run 2 different herds here on the ranch. We run registered Herefords, and then we have a commercial herd of Black Angus that we feed with our Hereford bulls. Bundled up, and we're going to go check out the hydroelectric plant and have some company. Hi, Leroy. So right now we're up at the forebay where the water goes into the pipe to go down to the powerhouse, and it's coming down the ditch. So there's about 3 miles up until you get to the reservoir where the water's coming from, and it's all gunite before it gets to the pipe that goes down to the powerhouse. And in the summertime when we're running the powerhouse, we also irrigate with all the water that is coming down. But right now we've had 27 inches of rain, so we're not irrigating. We're checking all the things, make sure everything's running okay.